Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling remote desktop on the host machine and creating a dedicated user for your bee swarm session. This isolates settings and prevents accidental profile changes. Once done, confirm port 3389 or, preferably, a VPN tunnel so you avoid exposing RDP publicly. Make sure the host has sufficient GPU and CPU headroom. Bee swarm needs responsive graphics and low latency. Before proceeding, test a local RDP connection to confirm credentials, firewall rules, and display scaling behave as. Now configure the RDP client for an optimal bee swarm experience. Choose a resolution that balances visibility with bandwidth, set color depth to 24-bit for smoother visuals, and enable resource redirection only if needed. You want local drive mapping for quick transfers and audio redirection if in-game sound matters. Otherwise, disable them to reduce lag. Also enable network-level authentication and limit concurrent sessions on the host, so the game gets priority resources and avoids stuttering during intense moments. Finally, optimize settings once connected. Lower in-game graphics if latency spikes, and enable VSync only if you see tearing. This reduces perceived issues without killing performance. Keep Task Manager handy to watch CPU, GPU, and network usage. If frames drop, restart the game or your RDP session rather than juggling settings live. If you cannot connect, confirm the host's firewall and RDP listener. Validate VPN or port forwarding, and re-enter credentials. One key troubleshooting tip is to restart the remote desktop services on the host to clear stuck sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.